Good morning, students. Today I am going to start lesson number 5 of your reader book, I Can Be a Pal. Before you read, a pal is a friend. How can you be a pal to others? Draw and sew. The word pal means a friend. To your friend in school, how can be a pal in school? You can draw a picture of your friend and you helping each other. Okay. To your father at home, you can show your love to your father by giving a glass of water when he comes back from office. Okay. To your brother and sister, you can draw a picture in which you are playing nicely with your brother and sister. To your mother at home, you can draw a picture of that you are helping your mother in her household work. Okay, so draw the pictures to show that you are a good friend. Now read this poem and find out how real friends are. So, this beautiful poem is written by poet Kristen Smith. Here the poet beautifully describes the quality of a true friend or a real friend. So now let us read the poem. I can be a pal by smiling at you. I can be a pal when you feel blue. In these two lines, poet says that he can prove himself to be a true friend by giving a smile at his friend when he finds his friend in a sad mood or when he finds his friend in a bad mood. Here the word feel blue means feel sad. Okay? I can be a pal who is honest and kind. I can be a pal when you are in a bind. Now in this line, poet wants to say that he will be very honest and kind to his friend in his difficult times or when he finds his friend in trouble. The word in a bind means in a difficult time. So, what the poet says? The poet says that he will be very honest and kind to his friend in his difficult times or when he finds his friend in trouble. I can be a pal by saying please and thank you. I can be a pal when no one wants to. In these lines, poet says that while talking to his friend, he would be polite and humble enough in his words, even when no one would like to talk to him. What the poet says? The poet says that if no one wants to talk with his friend, then also he will like to talk to his friend very kindly or he will be very humble enough in his words. Okay? See, in the next line, I can be a pal every single day. I can be your pal. What do you say? Now, in the last two lines, poet says that he would be his friend every single day and then ask a question to his friend that what is his view or opinion about the poet. That's why poet is saying, I can be your pal. What do you say? He is asking his friend that what you say, what you think that I will be your friend or not. So he is asking a question. Okay. So this is a very beautiful poem. By this, poet is describing about the quality of a good friend. Okay. Poet's name is Kristen Smith. Now move to exercises. Fill in the blanks. I can be a pal by smiling at you. I can be a pal when you feel blue. I can be a pal who is honest and kind. I can be a pal by saying please and thank you. I can be a pal every single day. Okay? Pick the rhyming pairs of words from the poem and write them down in the space provided. Kind, bind. Day, say. You, blue. You, too. Okay? There is an activity. Make a friendship day card in the space provided. Happy friendship day. You just make whatever you want to make for your friend. So make a card. Okay? Hope you all understood the poem, and so complete the exercise in your notebook. Okay? Thank you.